Most women aged 30 to 50 are aging 20% faster than their mothers did at the same age. Not because of genetics, but because of environmental inflammaging, microplastics in the bloodstream, chronic cortisol spikes, and blue light disrupting cellular repair cycles overnight. 2026. AI-driven precision longevity tools now let us measure the speed of aging in real time and slow it down. In the next few minutes, we will cover 3 specific protocols: a diagnostic test, 2 breakthrough molecules, and a free AI fasting method that are changing what's possible. Section 1. The Speedometer of Aging. The Dunedin PACE Reveal. Chronological age is almost irrelevant. What matters is your pace of aging, the rate at which your cells are deteriorating right now. Dunedin PACE is a 2026 developed an epigenetic clock at Duke University, measures biological aging speed, not just biological age, and is validated across 1,000 plus participants in the Dunedin longitudinal cohort study. Unlike older clocks like Horvath or Grimage, Dunedin PACE gives a single number, a PACE score, where 1.0 is average, below 1.0 means slowing down, and above 1.0 means accelerating toward disease. At-home testing options are now available through True Diagnostic and Elysium Health via simple blood spot or saliva kits, with results in 2 to 3 weeks. A 2025 anti-aging study in Nature showed women with Dunedin PACE scores above 1.2 had a 3 times higher risk of cardiovascular events within 5 years, regardless of chronological age. Reference that testing your own PACE score is the single most motivating health decision you can make, because it makes the invisible visible. Once you know your PACE score, every protocol in this video has a measurable target so that you are no longer guessing. Now that we know how to measure the clock, let's talk about the 2 molecules that are turning it back. Section 2. The secret molecules. Nicotinamide. Mononucleotide and spermidine. 2.0. Generic supplementation is outdated. The 2026 shift is toward biofeedback-guided dosing tied to your actual biological markers, not a one-size-fits-all label dose. Nicotinamide mononucleotide breakthrough documented in a 2025 clinical trial published in Cell Metabolism showed that sublingual NMN, 250 to 500 milligrams, raises NAD+ levels by up to 38% in women over 35, restoring mitochondrial energy output that declines roughly 50% between ages 30 and 50. The breakthrough suggests enhanced energy, better metabolism, improved muscle function, and, in preclinical studies, increased lifespan and cellular repair. NMN alone is not enough. It needs nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+, supplements, which are designed to boost declining levels of the essential coenzyme, which is bound in every cell and crucial for energy production, DNA repair, and cellular metabolism. Spermidine, found naturally in wheat germ, aged cheese, and mushrooms. A 2026 University of Graz study showed spermidine supplementation, 1.2 milligrams daily, triggered measurable autophagy in stem cells, clearing zombie cells, senescent cells, linked to skin sagging, joint pain, and brain fog. Senescent cells, or zombie cells, stop dividing but refuse to die as they release inflammatory signals called SASP, senescence-associated secretory phenotype, that poison neighboring healthy cells. Using continuous glucose monitors, CGM, and HRV data from wearables to time NMN intake around peak insulin sensitivity windows, typically within 30 minutes of waking. Taking NMN at night disrupts circadian NAD+ rhythms, and morning dosing is critical based on 2025 chronobiology research. Clearing zombie cells and restoring NAD+ simultaneously creates a compounding effect where users in the Graz trial reported measurable improvements in sleep quality, skin elasticity, and cognitive clarity within 8 weeks. Molecules are powerful, but the most accessible protocol costs nothing, and most people are doing it completely wrong. Section 3. The Free AI Protocol. Precision Fasting. Chrononutrition. Generic 16.8 fasting is a popular, sustainable form of intermittent fasting, where you consume all daily calories within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. This often fails women aged 30 to 50 because it ignores individual insulin sensitivity rhythms, cortisol patterns, and estrogen fluctuations. A blanket window can actually spike cortisol and accelerate aging. Introduce Chrononutrition. AI-optimized eating windows that sync with your personal metabolic rhythm, not a clock on the wall. AI fasting apps trending in 2026. January AI is a free, AI-powered health tool app that uses a virtual glucose model, no CGM required, trained on 100,000 plus metabolic profiles to predict your personal glucose response to any food, and generates a custom fasting window recommendation daily. Zoe AI Microbiome Testing is an at-home, personalized nutrition service that analyzes your gut bacteria using advanced shotgun metagenomic sequencing to identify 50 good and 50 bad microbes. It combines this with blood sugar and fat response data, using AI to provide personalized dietary recommendations to optimize your gut health and metabolic responses. Zero AI is a popular intermittent fasting app. It integrates HRV data from the Apple Watch and Garmin to predict your personal autophagy window, the point at which your body shifts from digestion to cellular repair, which varies by up to 4 hours between individuals. Most people need 14 to 17 hours of fasting to enter meaningful autophagy, but women with higher cortisol loads may need to shorten their fasting window and increase meal nutrient density. In 2026, Salk Institute research showed that time-restricted eating aligned with circadian biology reduced Dunedin PACE scores by an average of 0.08 points over 12 weeks, equivalent to slowing biological aging by roughly 8%. Use Zero or January AI for 7 days to establish your baseline window before committing to any specific protocol data first. Precision fasting combined with morning NMN dosing creates a metabolic environment where autophagy and NAD+ restoration happens simultaneously. Section 4. The Gut Barrier Shield. The 2S Method. A compromised gut barrier is the single biggest accelerator of biological aging that no supplement can fully overcome. Microplastics, chronic stress, and high-volume exercise all degrade the tight junction proteins that keep inflammatory particles out of the bloodstream. A 2025 study in Nature Medicine showed that elevated intestinal permeability markers directly correlated with higher Dunedin PACE scores. Leaky gut is not just a digestive issue, it is a cellular aging issue, referencing the 2025 brain tissue study showing a 50% increase in microplastic accumulation in human frontal lobe samples over 8 years. 3 daily inputs of psyllium husk, mucilaginous fiber that physically traps particles before gut wall absorption, fermented foods for tight junction repair, kimchi, kefir, and miso, and zinc plus selenium as cofactors for phase 2 liver detoxification. The 2-step method for DNA protection. High-volume HIIT spikes cortisol, which degrades tight junction proteins, the same proteins that block plastic particles and inflammatory signals from entering the bloodstream. The 2-set method, or 2 sets of high-intensity workout strategy, focused on performing only 2 high-quality, hard-working sets per exercise to build muscle and strength, involves 2 days of HIIT per exercise per week, 3 full-body sessions per week, and 3 minutes rest between sets, with each set taken to 1 rep shy of failure. It generates an identical muscle adaptation signal as 5 moderate sets without the systemic cortisol load. A 2025 meta-analysis in the Journal of Physiology confirmed that low-volume, high-intensity resistance training reduced systemic inflammation markers by 31% compared to high-volume training over 16 weeks. Quercetin is used at 500 milligrams and fisetin at 100 milligrams. Natural compounds shown in 2025 Mayo Clinic senolytic trials to selectively clear zombie cells when taken in 2-day pulse cycles monthly rather than daily. Try testing HRV and fasting glucose before and after implementing the 2S method for 30 days as a measurable proxy for gut barrier improvement. A protected gut barrier means every molecule you take, NMN, Spermidine, or quercetin, actually reaches its cellular target instead of being intercepted by chronic inflammation. Now let's put all of this together into a 7-day action plan you can start today. The 7-day Clock Rewind Action Plan. Your biological clock is not fixed. It is a speed dial, and you now have hands on it. Order a Dunedin PACE test this week. True Diagnostic or Elysium Health results in 2 to 3 weeks, giving you a baseline to track real progress. Download Zero or January AI today and run 7 days of baseline data before changing any data first. Add morning sublingual NMN at 250 milligrams with pterostilbene. Introduce spermidine-rich foods, wheat germ, aged cheeses, soybeans, and mushrooms. and run the 2S method 3 times this week. Pick one of the 3 steps and commit to it. Which one are you starting with? Measure, shield, or optimize? Put it in the comments below. If this opened your eyes to what is actually possible, like and subscribe to Health Equals Wellness, where the next video on gut barrier repair goes even deeper. Watch it next and keep building your longevity stack.